Hello students and namaste everyone. I am Dhaval sir and our today's topic is your literature part standard 10th chapter number 11, that is the proposal by Anton Chekhov. Okay, the writer is Anton Chekhov and this is going to be our last chapter for your syllabus of standard 10th. Okay, so in this lecture I'll discuss the introduction of this chapter as well as I'll explain you the brief summary of this chapter, and the remaining part, that is the line by line explanation of this chapter, will be done in the next lectures. Okay, as it is a very big chapter. Okay, so we'll need at least 2 to 3 lectures for completing the whole chapter, that is line by line. Okay, so first of all I'll tell you the main characters of this chapter. So actually this chapter is in the form of a act or a play. Okay, Gujarati we say natya or natak. Okay, and the main characters of this chapter is, basically there are three main characters. So the first main character of this chapter, the name is Stefanovich Shubuko. Okay, Stefanovich Shubuko. So he is a land owner. Then the second character is his daughter. Okay, daughter of Shubuko, and the name of the daughter is Natalia Stefanovich. Sorry, it is Natalia Stefnona. Okay, and she is 25 years old. And the third and the main character of our chapter is Ivan Vasilevich Lomo. Ivan Vasilevich Lomo. Okay, so you might find the names a bit difficult. Okay, because this is actually a Russian story. Okay, so let us begin with the introduction of this chapter. Okay, so as I said, the proposal. So first what we need to understand is the word proposal. Proposal means what, right? So proposal is an offer. Okay, you might have heard about offer. And whenever any offer is given to the opposite person, he may accept it or he may deny it, right? Usually we have heard this word proposal, okay, in the movies, in real life also, right? We have seen the youngsters, it might be a boy or a girl who proposes to the opposite gender. If a boy is there, you might have seen, okay, that boy might propose, okay, the opposite girl. So that is known as the proposal. In this way, in this chapter also, there is a proposal which is given by Lomo, okay, for Natalia. So how and when and in which way we'll see in the chapter. Okay, so it begins with the proposal. Okay, marriage proposal. Okay, which was presented by Lomo, okay, to his neighbor's daughter. Okay, so Lomo uh, brought the marriage proposal. Okay, he gave the marriage proposal to Shubuko, okay, whose daughter's name was Natalia. Okay, so before he could actually convey it to the girl, okay, they entered into an argument. Okay, so what is the scene? That is when Lomo reaches Natalia's home and he talks about the proposal, that is the marriage proposal, to his father Shubuko. Okay, at that time Natalia is not present. So Shubuko is very happy. Okay, and he goes to call Natalia to meet Lomo. And when Natalia comes and meets uh, Lomo, okay, so at that time this boy and girl, okay, they both have an argument about Oxen Meadows. Oxen is the name and meadows means usually a kind of farm or a field. Okay, and Shubuko, who is the lady's father, also joins the discussion or the argument. And after they end this, when this discussion gets over, they enter into another argument about their dogs. Okay, and which one is better than the other. Okay, and in the midst of all this discussion and the argument, the proposal gets forgotten until Lomo falls off due to palpitation. Okay, so palpitation is fast or irregular beating of heart, right? So due to the argument, the heartbeat of Lomo starts beating very fast, okay, which is known as palpitation. And Shubuko, who is the father of the daughter, instantly or immediately puts her daughter's hand in Lomo's hand. Okay, and unfortunately, the quarreling between them continues. Okay, so this is briefly what the story is. Okay, so now we'll go in detail and try to understand the chapter. Okay, so now we'll understand the summary of this chapter. So as I said that this chapter is in the form of a act or a play. Okay, so story begins with the rising of the curtain. Curtain rises. Okay, with Lomo. Okay, the curtain is rising up. That means the beginning of the act, or this act has already started. And in the beginning, the Lomo is entering his neighbor, that is Shubuko's house, fully dressed up in his evening dress or evening attire. Okay, and Shubuko is surprised to see him well dressed and asked him the occasion. Okay, so the owner of the house, whose name is Shubuko, asks Lomo that why you have dressed so well, right? So at that time Lomo answers or says that he had come to make a request. Okay, he had come to make a request. So Shubuko uh, assumes or expects that he must have come to ask for money which he doesn't intend on giving, right? So what the daughter's father, that is Shubuko, assumed that Lomo might have come, okay, to ask for some money from him. Okay, and on being revealed that Lomo had come to ask for Shubuko's daughter Natalia's hand in marriage, right? Shubuko got filled with excitement and leaves to call Natalia. Okay, so what happened? Actually, that is Shubuko assumed that Lomo might have come for asking or borrowing money, but when Lomo told him that I have not come here for money, he said that I have come here to ask for marriage. That means I have come here with a proposal of marriage for your daughter Natalia. He becomes very happy and he goes to call her. Okay, uh, Lomo was a 35-year-old gentleman, and he had a problem, who was suffering from palpitation. So as I said, palpitation means what? Fast or irregular beating of heart. Okay, due to excitement or nervousness. So that is palpitation. Okay, so he was suffering from palpitation and he easily got very upset, and he also didn't got sleep well because of this palpitation. Okay, and he had the habit of uh, thinking, so he thinks that it is the best age, okay, for him to get married, as he is happy, and that he has made up his mind, okay, about Natalia, because before getting married, you should be fully prepared. Okay, and Lomo was now fully prepared and he had made up his mind to get married with Natalia. Okay, so according to him, right, Natalia was an average looking girl and a good housekeeper. That means she could do all the household chores very well. Okay, and when Natalia arrives, okay, Lomo begins the conversation about how grateful and glad he is that both their families are on good terms. Good terms means both the families are having good relation with each other since the very beginning, right? And uh, while continuing the talk about means while he was continuing his talk, he talked about a land which is named as Oxen Meadows. Okay, so anyhow, by uh, mistake, he speaks about Oxen Meadows, which was earlier a disputed property between both the families. Right, so he speaks about Oxen Meadows, and actually he said that Oxen Meadow belongs to us. So Natalia couldn't believe a word he was saying because she believed that Oxen Meadows belonged to her family. Okay, as I said, Oxen Meadow is a farm or a field. Okay, and it was a disputed property. That means Lomo felt that it belonged to his family, and Natalia thought that it belonged to her family. Okay, so both of them enter into a heated discussion. That means a fight takes place. A discussion, argument starts between both of them. Okay, and they both act childishly. Okay, and at the same time, Shubuko, who is the father of Natalia, enters just to get the conversation more heated. That means even Shubuko is entering into the discussion, and the discussion or the argument gets more heated up. Okay, so at that time, during the argument, they start shouting and screaming. Okay, and at the same time, Lomo suffers from extreme pounding of heart. Okay, his heartbeat starts pounding very fast, and he becomes unconscious. Okay, so now what happens? They throw Lomo out of the house. Okay, that means he becomes very nervous and his heart starts beating very fast. Okay, and he is about to get unconscious, but means he is not feeling well. At that same time, they don't want Lomo to stay at their home, and they just remove him out of the house. Okay, and they start means they continued cursing him. Okay, and ill while speaking ill means speaking bad about Lomo. Okay, Shubuko, who was the father, unintentionally reveals, okay, that he had come with a marriage proposal for Natalia, which surprises Natalia. Okay, and she immediately regrets sending him out. That means Natalia didn't know that he had actually come with a marriage proposal for her. Okay, so when her father informed Natalia about the marriage proposal, she immediately informed her father to call him back. Okay, so immediately uh, Shubuko goes and calls Lomo. Okay, so when when Lomo is called back at Natalia's home, okay, at that time Natalia tries to deviate the discussion. That means what discussion they were having. She tried to end it up, and she tried to deviate the mind of Lomo to another topic. Okay, and she starts about shooting. Okay, and somehow they enter into another argument involving their dogs. Okay, so Natalia feels that her situation is worse once again and again they got hyper, and Lomo finally falls due to palpitation. So I have already explained you the meaning of palpitation. Okay, and even then the cursing continues when Natalia noticed that he is unconscious. Okay, she is not able to control herself and she keeps on talking and talking, even though Lomo was unconscious, and they try to get water down his throat. Okay, uh, but uh, they end up getting unsuccessful, and they think, or means they think that Lomo is dead. Okay, and they declare him to be dead, and it is only uh, at that time when there is a bit of movement seen. Okay, so they found that there is a movement in Lomo's body. So immediately they feed him with some water, and Shubuko, who is the father of Natalia, forcefully hands over Natalia's hand to him. Okay, and gives his blessings, and asks them, that is, he asks Lomo and Natalia to kiss each other. Okay, so Lomo, who is still not fully conscious, doesn't understand what is going on. Okay, and when finally he comes to his sense, when finally he is conscious, okay, he expresses his excitement, and he kisses Natalia's hand. Okay, and as Natalia, being childish, she again tries to manipulate, or she tries to cleverly influence Lomo into accepting that Squeezer is better than Guess. Now, who is Squeezer and who is Guess? So, these both are the names of the dogs. Okay, Squeezer is Natalia's dog, and Guess is Lomo's dog. So, again, acting childishly, Natalia tries to convince uh, Lomo that her dog Squeezer is better than Lomo's dog Guess, and even Lomo was adamant. Adamant means he was a kind of a person who once decides that I'll do like this, then he will not change his decision. Okay, so Lomo was a kind of person uh, who, when determined, will not change his decision. Okay, easily. So even he also acts childishly and refuses to accept it. Right? That means even Lomo is also saying that no, my dog is better. Natalia is saying no, my dog is better. And thus, once again, the quarreling continues. That means it keeps on and on. It keeps on going. And the chapter or the story gets over. So this was all about this chapter. Okay, I hope so you understood the chapter, and I thank you everyone for watching my video. So we'll end our lecture over here.